Hello, I'm Sarah Bear Sinnott, President of Oldways. Are you like me, yearning to travel to Europe and other faraway places? As we wait for it to be safe and possible to travel, Oldways has a way for you to capture the magic of Naples and Amalfi at home. Benvenuto, and welcome to A Taste of Naples and Amalfi. We're online now, but in October of 2021, we hope to bring an Oldways Culinaria group to Naples, Amalfi, and Capri, along with Chef Michael Lombardi of SRV Restaurant. For now, download this free ebook on the Oldways website and you'll learn all sorts of things about this spectacular region. You'll also get 3 recipes for a fabulous 3-course regional meal, wine and tableware suggestions, and lots of fun facts about foods and flavors and mealtime traditions of this wonderful region. To start, I'm going to set my table with the ceramics of Vietri sul Mare. Vietri is a town at the top of the Amalfi coast, just an hour south of Naples. The town is lined with tiny shops filled with charming and colorful ceramics. Perhaps you'll be like me, unable to resist. I hope so. And now the dishes, the recipes. First, insalata caprese made with buffalo mozzarella that the region is so famous for. In October of 2021, we'll visit a buffalo farm and then a dairy and watch buffalo mozzarella being made. And then, of course, we'll taste. The second dish, pasta with quick marinara and shrimp, with pasta from Gragnano, the city of pasta, and San Marzano tomatoes. At the Culinaria, we'll go to Gragnano and go to a pasta factory, watch it being made, and go to a farm and learn about San Marzano tomatoes. The third dish, baba limoncello with lemon cream. The region is famous for its lemons and for the lemon liqueur, limoncello. At the Culinaria, we'll learn how to make limoncello and also visit the many pastry shops along the Amalfi coast. Yum! And we'll be enjoying wines, perhaps a white, a Greco or a Fiano, or if you prefer red, the famous Ionico. Salut et bon viaggio alla casa. Look for the Oldways ebook at oldwayspt.org/Naples. And then rush and sign up for the Oldways Culinaria, October 2021 to Naples, Amalfi, and Capri. Arrivederci!